Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Soulful Beauty. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe, and if you're a loyal subscriber, big up yourself. Thanks for the support, guys. So I wanted to show you guys what I do for my wash day routine, but I also wanted to show you what I do when it's not time for wash day. So here's my co-washing routine. The first thing I do is what you call water rinsing. I let the water run through my hair while I massage my scalp, lifting the excess oil and build up. I do this for about 5 minutes. Next step is me getting out the shower and putting my favorite oil in my hair and separate my hair, doing that pop method. Not everywhere in my hair, but where it really is matted, because I don't want my wash day to be difficult when it actually comes around. And then I put my hair up and wait for it to dry. Now let's get on to my wash day routine. I use the Peppermint Pure Castile soap to cleanse my hair, to really give my locks that deep, clean feeling. Yanni, the lockologist on YouTube, was the one to put me onto this product. She's really knowledgeable when it comes on to locks. I cleanse my hair twice with this product because, I only wash my hair once a month. Also, I would use the massaging brush in this process, but I didn't have it with me, so my fingers had to do, which is just as good but more work, Now I'm just squeezing out the excess water from my hair, and let's get on into the prepping my hair for a retwist. I'm using my homemade flaxseed gel, almost burnt it, and my flaxseed oil for my retwist. It's actually pretty moisturizing and lightweight. Now let's talk about this spray bottle. Weston DeRay here on YouTube put me onto her Loc tonic, as she calls it. It has aloe vera gel, rose water, and distilled water, with some essential oils. I had everything but rose water, but it works just as good. We're almost done with wash day. Time to separate and pop. Popping is a method of separating your locks that are marrying together. Now, unless you are free-forming, it's best you do this method whenever necessary. To pop your locks, it must be wet, otherwise it will cause breakage. I'm using my fingers to follow the natural parting of my lock and lift up any stray hairs that are not a part of the lock. And I continue to do this all over my head. Now, to be honest, when I first did this, I thought I was damaging my hair because of that popping sound I was hearing. Just listen. But it's not. Just make sure your hair is wet and be gentle and patient. And this is my I'm over it face. I did half of my hair already, so watch me palm roll the rest of my hair. Now, let's talk about palm rolling. This is the type of method I choose to retwist my hair simply because it's less tension on the hair, at least in my opinion. I start off by applying the flaxseed gel on the roots of my hair, making sure it's completely saturated. Next, start palm rolling the hair from the root, rolling the hair between two palms, so basically prayer hands. I palm roll my hair until it coils up at the root. I then secure my retwist by wrapping my hair around itself because I choose not to use clips. And I repeat these steps for the rest of my hair. I saturate my hair with gel, palm roll until it coils up at the root, and wrap my hair around itself to secure it. Now, just watch me finish the rest of my hair. If you've made it this far in the video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. to see more lovely videos of myself.
Choose your fighter. LAKEY inspired. Fight.
Also, if you've been watching my videos for a while, there's some insights I want to give you guys. I'm contemplating combing out my locks, so I'll talk about that in my lock update, so just stay tuned, subscribe and turn on your notification, and I'll see you in my next video. My next video might be a vlog, but we'll see. And this is my happy dance, and this was the end result. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you liked this video, if you thought it was helpful and very informative, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and come back for more. Love you guys. Mwah. Okay, maybe that's corny.